Hello everyone, today my order arrived and look what I got. I got this amazing OnePlus Earbuds version 3. This is what the packaging looks like. Let's quickly open it up. So, here is the packaging of the earbuds. Let's open it. So, as you can see, this is quite sweet and simple, and nothing much on the written on the box. One thing I wanted to talk about on this is the price. It's around 6,500, but in Amazon Big Billion Days, I got it in 4,500 price only, thanks to that. Now, let's open up the box. So here we go. At the top of the box we get our magic box, which is none other than the box of our earbuds, which is again packed with this soft polythene. Let's keep this away for a while and check what else we get inside the box. Let's remove this. It's quite hard to pick this, but anyways, we are having the books for reading, but the point is, who reads this, right? No, it's not just for this. You must read it if you are totally a new user. And yes, how can one cannot get this red cable club card in a OnePlus product? And yes, we get this cable and more earbuds rubber piece. As you can see, this is a Type-C to type A cable, and we got this extra ear rubber buds, which you can use as per your choice or the size of your ear. So, this much only we get in the box. Coming to our main product, here we go. This small packaging comes with the OnePlus branding, which makes it more comfy to look at. Haha, just kidding. Let's remove it. So yeah, at the top you can see the OnePlus shiny badging, and at the bottom, nothing much. Inside the box we get our precious gems, none other than the earbud, which we'll be using in our day-to-day life. Here you can see the light as well, which indicates the current battery status of the box. Of course we have the button in between for reset and connecting a new device. Let's take out one earpiece and see. It again have a small wrapping of polythene, thus it makes a good user unboxing experience, thanks to that OnePlus. At the back side of the earpiece we have the touch console for various operations. Oh wow, how cool is this? Am I right? Let me know in the comment section below. Till then, enjoy some cinematic shots of the new member. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.